Yeah, Bob Kelly, there is a lot of research going on right now, a lot of arguments and a lot of conflicting reports about the ways COVID-19 might affect children. That's why doctors say it's important to keep an open mind. Don't just pay attention to the studies that align with your own personal beliefs.
Was really fatigued and had like a headache.
It was tough for me. I cried a few times and it was just rough.
10-year-old Ryder Downey remembers when his mom was diagnosed with COVID-19. He says it was sad when school shut down last year, and it was scary to learn about a deadly virus in his own home.
To watch him just not be him, it was really, really hard.
Did you get sick?
No, I don't think so.
He doesn't think so, but his mom thinks there's a chance, especially after reading studies that indicate kids usually have fewer symptoms or are sometimes asymptomatic.
Yeah, the conflicting studies is really hard because you really don't know what to believe.
It's not that children don't get it or that they can get pretty sick from it too.
Dr. Neil Davis is one of the leading pediatricians in Utah. He says even though kids are sometimes less symptomatic, it's too early to say whether they spread the virus or bring it home any differently than an adult.
I have seen, honestly, studies that go back and forth on that question. That is generally more of a behavioral phenomenon.
He says the other difficult thing for him personally is watching people argue, sometimes scream at each other because of something they read online. He says discussion is important, but so is listening.
The evidence is so compelling and clear.
Especially when it comes to the most obvious precautions that help every age group. Washing hands, social distancing, and wearing a mask.
I think school's going to be a little bit different, but I mean, we're going back to school, so yeah, I'm happy.
Dr. Davis says it is especially important talking and listening when it comes to that relationship you have with your doctor. That's why keep talking, keep that dialogue open, and don't just pay attention to specific things you see on the internet. We're live in West Jordan. Adam Herbets, Fox 13 News, Utah.